It's the beginning of a new and excitingly different story.
So the first thing you want to make sure, hopefully you've already watched the video on optimizing and speeding up your Fire Stick, and you've already went to your settings and enabled USB debug, ADB debugging. We'll go to developer options, make sure both of these are on. You go ahead and hit the home button. So we're going to go ahead and get that downloader app first. Simply go down here. Usually once you get to about N or L, it pops up, so you can just, oh, look at that, DOW, quicker than ever. Go ahead and click downloader. Some of you, if you have multiple Fire Sticks, you'll see it say download, you own it. On earlier Fire Sticks, it came preloaded. Always allow. You deny, it won't work the next time. Okay, so from here, we're going to simply press OK. And you're going to type this into your browser. Then just press the play pause button for go. Go ahead and bring it down to install. Now note, on certain Fire Sticks, it's weird because sometimes you can barely see the install. So now that we got file linked, what we'll do first is we'll go ahead and hit done. And then we could delete this. We'll exit, press back twice. You can hit the home key again. Now also, when you optimized your settings, you'll realize that some of your favorite apps aren't here. So what we'll simply do really quickly is we'll go to search. And let's get everybody's favorite app. You only have to press N. Same thing, I already have it on my other Fire Stick devices. So bang, we got our Netflix. You can hit the home button. That'll pop up eventually down here. This app won't be on your device. It's used for me to make this video. But we're going to go ahead over to file linked. And this is where you put your code that you received in your startup email. And we go ahead and hit continue. And this is where you put in the PIN, which you'll get directly from us. Without the PIN, no access. I know you understand. So here we go. This is the Kritik TV App Store, where you can get everything you need to make your life easier. For now, we're just going to concentrate on getting you set up with your new Kritik TV app. So this new Kritik TV app is just really sharp, really precise. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click done. And we'll leave the store. You're going to hit yes. And hit back again. So now you'll see you have your apps here and here. Here's a good trick that you're always going to do after you download apps. You're going to press the button on your Fire Stick with 3 lines. Simply move to front. Go do that with the next app. Move to front. Now you have easy access to everything. Now let's get the baby installed right here. Kritik TV. So also your login details you should have received by mail. If you received a numbered format, you can always contact us directly from that last email, and we can change it to whatever you'd like it to be. So for now, we'll log in with our test account. Okay. So that's simply what you do when you're logged in, downloading channels, movies, and series, and ready for the experience of a lifetime. First thing you want to do is just quickly go up to settings, time format, 12 hours format, and save changes. We back out of here. Now we'll go down to EPG. Now you're downloading your TV guide. It'll start inserting it. Depending on certain times of the day, this may take a little longer than usual. Now, one thing you notice when you first signed up for your account, there is a spot for you to change bouquets. Now, this is where you can take these categories and the ones that you're not going to watch, you can take them out of there. And no worries, if you already set up your account, you can always shoot us an email and we'll take the categories out that you don't want. So it makes it much simpler. We'll go ahead and check out the EPG real quick. Takes a second to load. Very simple, straight to the point. And once that EPG guide loads, no need to check it out now. You can always look back into it later. It's pretty much self-explanatory. But what the great option is when you go into live TV, let's go over to VIP USA Entertainment. And then there you go. You have your A&E, many other channels there. You can check them out over here. Some have the guide. If it has the little Kritik TV symbol next to it, more than likely it does not have a guide with it. But once you get to certain channels, you'll see the guide populate. You can click it, bring it up in the screen up there. Press it again to go into full screen. You can change the next channel by clicking the forward button. You can also go to the settings. More for movies and series, you'll be able to add subtitle tracks if they're not already playing, which is a great feature. So simply, as you see at the bottom, it says long press to show more options. If you hold the OK button, it'll bring up an option to add to favorites. Let's say we want to add Animal Planet as well. Let's add a few others. Let's go for BET, Her for the lady, and that's good enough for now. So we'll go ahead and back out of here. When you back out of all the channels, it always starts at the search part, so you just press down, and then you can scroll freely back through the categories. You go into favorites, and all your favorites are here, and you can scroll through those the same way. It'll stay within your favorites group, and that's pretty much it. Now, while we have movies and series sections here, these are pretty much just for the fact that the apps have those sections. We do have other apps that we recommend highly. You can check some of those out in the next download video to fully load your Fire Stick. But we do have a good collection in here. And you can also go into there and add them into your collections and your favorites. There's a lot. We even have the new Marvel section, which literally is all the movies to watch in the proper order. So go ahead and check that out. And then you've got series. We've got a lot of your favorite series. Sometimes we have series almost an hour or 2 hours before that, before they even air live. And catch up, if you're ever looking into getting something on the catch up, that's pretty much like a DVR. It has to actually, generate about 3 days once your account is active in order to show you different channels that are there. So let's say we go into, I know a lot of you guys like CNN. I'm not sure if we have it yet, but we're working on adding CNN to the list of different news channels that will keep backdated. So let's say MSNBC. My mom loves MSNBC. We've got the backups. All In with Chris Hayes, that was playing at 3 a.m. Voila. There you go. So that's how you install your Kritik TV. I would like for you to enjoy this app and the service wholeheartedly. Be sure to like us on Facebook so you can stay in tune with what we got coming up next.